Welcome back to Us2Learn. I hope you are really enjoying watching my videos and find it useful for your learning. Thanks to all my subscribers and viewers for your immense support. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do it and press the bell button for future notification so you don't miss any of my videos. So today I am going to teach you a new topic, that is compound nouns. So please watch the video till the end to enjoy watching this interesting topic. So what are compound nouns that we are going to learn in today's video? So today I am going to cover three main points. Among them, the first one is what is a compound noun? Second, how are they formed, their structure? Okay, and third one, examples of compound nouns. Now, what is a compound noun? You have heard about the word compound. Compound means which involves two or more words. Okay, so what is a compound noun? Compound noun is a noun that is made up of two or more words. Okay, so we are joining two or more words to make a compound noun. So just you have to keep this in mind. Okay, you don't have to go for any complex definition. You have to just keep it in mind. Compound noun is a noun that is made up of two or more words. Okay, now how are they formed? Okay, now we are going to see its structure. So I have taken a compound noun word policeman. Okay, now policeman. There are two words, police and man. I have divided it in two parts. First part, okay, that is police. What always the first part do? It tells us what kind of object or person it is or what its purpose. Okay, so now we know it's a man, but what kind of man? It's a policeman. Okay, so it's been telling us that it's a policeman, and here man means it can be man, it can be woman. So second part identifies the person or object in question. Okay, so here it is telling that it's a policeman. Okay, so understanding how the word has been divided into two parts. Okay, first part tells us what kind of object or person or what's its purpose, and second part identifies the person or object in question. Now we'll see some more examples, okay, to understand this properly. See, I have made a table here. First part is dining, okay, and second is table, which is combined together to make the compound noun dining table. Now here the purpose is for dining, okay, and what kind of object it is? It's a table. So these two words together form dining table. Coming to the second example, see, tooth and paste. Okay, so this is what kind of object? It is tooth. Okay, and what type of person or object? Paste. This paste is used to brush our teeth. Okay, so that is toothpaste. So when these two both words are combined, it gives the compound noun toothpaste. Okay, getting it? It's just for your understanding how they are formed. Okay, how they are divided into two parts and how they are combined. This is just for your understanding purpose. Next we will see how compound nouns can be made. Okay, now see, compound nouns can be made with noun plus noun. Okay, there can be two words which both can be nouns, like see here, note plus book. This both are nouns, and this is making a compound noun, notebook. Okay, similarly motorcycle, okay, motorcycle. Sea and food, this both are nouns. Okay, when they are combined together, that gives you the compound noun seafood. Okay, so first example is you can combine two nouns, okay, that will give you compound noun. Second is when you combine noun plus verb. Okay, verb means the action. Yes, agree. And noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. I have covered this in my previous video. If you have not watched it, I will give you the link in my description box. Okay, so noun plus verb. Okay, now add is a noun and cut is a verb. Okay, so when you combine these two words, you get a compound noun, haircut. Okay, so you can make the compound noun in this way also. Okay, sun is a noun, yes. rise is a verb. When you combine that, you will get sunrise. Similarly, sky plus diving give you skydiving. Getting it how you can make the compound nouns? We have first understood that it's a combination of two or more words. But how you can make it? You can make it using noun plus noun, okay, or noun plus verb. Next, you can also make it with verb plus noun. Okay, now see here. Swimming is a verb, pool is a noun. When you combine them together, you get swimming pool. Washing is a verb, machine is a noun. When you combine them, you get washing machine. Okay, similarly, dining plus room, dining room. Okay, you know now what is verb, what is noun and all. Okay, I hope you all know it very well. Coming to fourth one, adjective plus noun. See here, full plus moon. Moon is a noun, full is an adjective. When you combine this both, you will get the example full moon. Okay, similarly, blackboard. Okay, blackboard. So I have given the examples also that you can easily understand what it is. Okay. Now I have given you a table of compound noun examples, okay, like blackboard, greenhouse, skydiving, raincoat, ice cream, many. So you can just pause it and watch these examples, okay. So thank you for watching my video. I hope this video has really given you a short insight into the topic compound nouns. If you really liked watching this video, please subscribe to my channel S2Learn and don't forget to hit the like button. Bye.